So please introduce yourself, Satish and Bhagyashree, both of you, means one by one.
Yeah, hi bro. Actually, this is Sadish from Ooty. Hope you know that location, Ooty.
Yes.
Uh, Actually, I have 7 years experience, but in testing, I have no experience. But I'm looking in testing role as I was in night shift. I couldn't able to continue the night shift, so I'm looking at testing role. Uh, it will be like a day shift, right? So from actually, I have done automation testing with an institute, but it was not much clear. So then I learned manual testing through YouTube. So manual testing will be. I'm something confident on that, but when it comes to hands-on experience, I have no much knowledge on that. Like a Jira tool. I have used the Jira tool, but in my process, but it was not like complete IT related. I mean, testing related activities. It was totally different one, but I hope it will be helpful. That's all. Thanks.
Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress.
Bhagyashree, you joined like in two systems.
Yes, yes, 1 second. Actually, my laptop is not working, so I joined from mobile. So now I'm joined from laptop.
Okay. May I know who is
Yes.
Savita? Savita Gore?
Ravita. Okay. She's on mute.
Yes. Savita, can you please speak? Okay. She was left. Can you please introduce Bhagyashree yourself?
Yes. Okay, so my name is Bhagrashi Chavan. I'm basically from Ambezogai. So right now living in Pune. I completed my B Instrumentation Engineering from College of Engineering Ambezogai. I have total 5.8 years of experience in software testing. So I mostly worked on QC tool, HPLM QC tool. And for Jira, I have a little bit knowledge. I only worked for defect tracking I used for Jira. And I have a little bit experience on automation testing as well. And right now working with Wonderland Industries Private Limited as an integration engineer. That's all. Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, great. Thank you, Satish and Bhagyashree, for enroll.
Yeah.
So, shall we start the session?
Yes.
Yes.
So, hope you are all are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, actually, this session we started for Jira, right? But only the two people enrolled, like you guys are trusted me, means without knowing anything. So because of that, I'll provide like as much as subject on the manual testing very practically, like how real time goes the work. So I'll explain very clearly. Okay. And please try to understand.
Okay.
And I won't stop with the workshop like 1 hour, 2 or 3 hours. So I will support you both guys till 1 month to create test cases or to understand the Jira, like everything. So today you will get more clarity on Jira, like how we need to use and how we will create the test cases or how we will execute and how we will like manage the all testing activities. You will get more clarity on that. And so I will create the project and I will create the story points and I will assign to you for create test cases, and I will assign task to you for creating test execution, like how in software company follows the testing activities. So like that, coming 1 month, So we will work as a team, like real time. Okay, then you can get more clarity on the real time work. And I will tell you like real time questions also. Means Satish are looking for the job, right, in testing. So I will help you with the real time interview questions, or means more subject also. Okay, so please try to grab more information. Hope my voice
Okay.
is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. See, actually, we want to work as a software tester, right? Software
Yes.
tester. So, for example, um, what, for example, what driver will do? What is his activities? He will, for example, car driver. If let us assume the car driver, he will first means he clean the car, then he will sit on the driver position and he will start the car and he will drive and he will maintain the all means basic things of car needs, right? So these are the his activities. What is the tester activities? Tester means here software tester. Software tester, the name itself, we are need to test the software. We need to test the software. So in the software tester, mainly, so they have only 6 to 7 responsibilities they need to perform on daily basis in software company. Hope you know already. So she left. That is
Yeah.
okay.
Just
Maybe
go.
internet is not good. I ask her to join. Okay. So Bhageshri, so you joined, right? Hello, Bhageshri, are you able to hear me? Bhageshri, please confirm. Are you able to hear me or not?
I think she has a network issue.
Yes. Yes. Hello, Bhageshri.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So what exactly? See, for example, um, so I explained the about car driver, right? Hope you get clarity on the what car driver activities, right? Same to same, the tester activities are first of all. See, software tester, the name itself, they need to, tester need to test the software, right? For test the software, they need to understand the requirement. That means software requirements. Okay.
Yes.
And they need to prepare the test plan, right? Then they need
Yes.
to convert these test plan into test case, test cases.
A test scenario, right? Before test cases.
Yes, test scenarios. Test scenarios like, see, for example, test design activities. It includes scenarios, okay, test cases. Okay. Did you get clarity?
Yes.
Test design
Yes.
activities means creating test scenarios and creating test cases. Then we need to perform review and test design activities like test cases or test scenarios, whatever, everything. So we need to test review on test design activities. Okay. Then execute test cases and report bugs and send daily status mails and send reports if they ask, because this reports part Scrum Master will take care, means they will create the burn charts, like burn down charts, like they will create the reports actually in Jira tool. But if they ask like about the test logs, then we need to send. Okay. And
Mhm.
attend the meetings. These 8 tasks tester should perform. This is a work only: understanding the software requirement and preparing the test plan and creating the test scenarios and creating the test cases and review the test cases and execute the test cases and reporting the bugs and send the daily status mails and attend the meetings. These are the 8 major responsibilities tester should perform in any software company. Okay. Hope
Okay.
you guys are get more clarity on that what tester will do in the company. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So we need to already Bhageshri, you know, right? Means like you are working on
Yes,
that.
I know.
And
Yes, I know.
so attend the meetings. So which type of meetings we should attend in the company? So majorly we need to attend 4 types of interviews. Okay. And Satish, please make note down. Okay, because you don't know
Okay.
these things.
Yes, bro.
So we need to attend like every software company, they will conduct 4 type of meetings. One is a scrum meeting, and this is called stand up meeting or daily meeting. It will be a daily 10 to 15 minutes. Then sprint planning meeting. Then sprint review meeting. Then sprint retrospective meeting. See, please remember these 4 meetings. Interviewer definitely he will ask, if you attend the any interview, 95% of the uh, interviews they will ask this question. Okay, these 2 questions: what are the tester activities and what are the means meetings you attended in your previous company regularly. They will ask like that. Okay. Hope you are very clear. Means if you don't know the means these words, Satish, please like by heart it. Means because in the coming session, so you will get more clarity on these meetings. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
See, for example, take real time scenario. For example, if you meet means your friend, so that is a casual meeting. If means any topic you are discussing with your family, so that is a family meeting. If you are discussing with any matter in the function, so that will be a different meeting. Like that, in every software company they will conduct a different types of meeting. This is a 4 types of meetings, so they will conduct, Satish and Bhageshri. Okay.
Yes.
So
Sure.
this is a scrum meeting or stand-up meeting or daily meeting. The name itself, you get some clue. So they will conduct daily 10 to 15 minutes a stand-up call. This is a daily call. This meeting is conducted by the Scrum Master. Scrum Master. Okay.
Okay.
So and sprint planning meeting, it will happen when we start the sprint. And sprint review meeting, it will conduct by the when sprint is going to end. Sprint retrospective meeting, so it will conduct by means the new sprint after start the new sprint. So the sprint retrospective meeting will be conducted by the for the means previous sprint. Okay. So in the coming hours you can get more clarity on that. So please remember these things also. So interviewer straight away they will ask what type of meetings you attend in your previous company. Okay. If you tell like I attended scrum meetings and sprint planning meeting and sprint review meeting and sprint retrospective meeting, if you tell the answer, they will encounter the another question like in sprint retrospective meeting what are the topics you discussed, and who are the means who people are connected with the in sprint retrospective meeting. They will ask like that questions because they want to know you work on real time or not, or like practical work or not. That's why they will ask the encounter questions. Okay. So these are the four things. So you attend the meetings, these four type of meetings. Then we will come to the, see if you learn these 8 things, that is a tester activity actually. If you learn these 8 things, so you are the expert in testing. Okay. Hope you guys are
Yes.
very clear with the whatever we discussed till now.
Yes.
Yes.
Satish? Okay. See, actually in agile model is a software development model. This is a trending model. Every company is using agile model nowadays. Okay. So agile model is a process. It is telling to the process how we need to develop the software and what principles we need to follow and what means what process we need to follow to develop a software. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe you are aware of agile model, right?
Yes.
And Satish, you are aware of agile model?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Go.
Okay, great. So every company is following the agile model as of now. That is a process only. Okay, that is not a programming language, or uh, uh, they it is not a programming language, or it is not any like scripting language. They won't like agile is a completely, it is a only process. Okay. So it tells the how we should develop the software, it tells the process. Okay. See, in every team, every scrum team, for example, in means to work to develop a software, we need to divide as a teams, right? In software companies,
Yes.
so lot of teams are available. For example, each team 4 to 10 members available. Okay. In some teams 6 members available, in some team 8 members, some team 7 members, some team 5 members, some team 10 members. Okay. If they are following scrum methodology, if this team is following scrum methodology, then these people will be called as a scrum team. Okay. Scrum team. Scrum team. Okay.
Yes.
Then in the scrum team majorly 3 roles are available. One is the scrum master, then product owner or product manager, some people will call, and developers and testers. Only these three people will be there in the scrum team. Okay, means you will
Yes.
get little bit means bore as of means, because we are discussing some theoretical part. Means couple of minutes we will go with the like practical, then you will get more understand. Before that I need to tell like little bit uh, content on this to understand everything. Okay, so in the scrum team majorly three roles are available, like scrum master and product owner and developers and testers. For every team one scrum master will be available, one product owner will be available, remaining people are developers and testers. See, for example, if the team size is a 7, one scrum master, one product owner, remaining 5 people, 3 developers or 2 testers, or 4 developers or 1 tester. Or if the team size is 8, one is a scrum master, one is a product owner, and remaining 6, some people means like 3 developers, 3 testers, or 4 developers or 2 testers. It will be like that, one team. Okay.
Yes.
Satish, means hope you are getting clear, right?
Yeah, yeah, I'm getting.
Then see, these are the main activities, right? Tester activities.
Yes.
What happening actually? So understanding the requirement and preparing the test plan and creating the test cases and test scenarios, and next review the scenarios and test cases, then execute the test cases and reporting the bugs. In the starting of the means early stages of the software development, they don't have tools to create test cases or scenarios or bugs, rising bugs. They don't have tools. They used Excel to create test cases. So I will tell you one by one. See, for example, to understand the requirements, but first we need to have requirement documents, right? To understand the requirements, first of all, we need to have requirement documents, right?
Yes.
So these documents is available in the doc files in the early days. Then they will prepare test plan in the doc file or sometimes Excel file. Then test cases they will create in Excel file, and they will execute test cases in Excel file. Like they will execute in the browser, but they will execution result will be uh, update in the Excel file, right?
Yes.
Then bug reporting also they used Excel file. And RTM, for RTM, you know already RTM, right? Means hope you guys are know. RTM means requirement traceability metrics. So
Yes.
this is also managed by means in Excel. Okay. For daily status mails, they will use mails. In the early days, they are using like Excel. See here what happened. For example, in the team, 2 testers are available or 3 testers are available, and so they will work with the different locations, right? One project, some people will work in Canada, some people will work in US, some people work in India. So if you maintain the all test cases in Excel, so first of all you need to create the test cases in your Excel file, then you need to merge with the all means who develop test cases, so we need to merge with the one Excel file, right? In early days this is the thing happens. Then like they used one cloud systems, like they will use like Google Sheets to create test cases, or to maintain test documents. All test documents they will use like Google Drive, or some cloud storage systems like AWS. Like they used some cloud storage systems, because so we can access these Google Drive files. We can access it in anywhere, right? So they used like that. Then there also one problem is there. See, whenever you raise the bug, that should be informed to the developer also, right? You will create the test case, like you will execute the test case. If the test case will be fail, if the test case is fail, then you need to report bug, and the bug is means informed to the developer, right?
Yes.
So in Excel file, how we will inform, means we should, means we can put the developer name, but he need to see the means he need to see the document. For example, he has another work, maybe if he did not see the Excel sheet, then again it is some difficulty to get more clarity on the test activities. To achieve that, so the tools came. So we have a different tools in the market, like uh, Bugzilla is came for bug reporting, and ALM also. ALM is a actually paid tool. It is a paid tool, so we can manage all text activities in ALM, right? Already you are using ALM, right, Bhagyashree?
Yes.
So that is very actually some companies will use actually ALM. So it is price also too high. And again, then Jira came to the market. So Jira is a project management tool where we can manage all test activities or development activities. So we can manage in one single tool. So we can manage all the things. So, and it is very user friendly tool. So, and we can
Yes.
assign tasks to them easily. So we can assign tasks, like we can assign to the manager, or we can ask developer. We can like assign developer. We can assign manager. Like we can assign multiple people at one time. So that is very user friendly to
Yes.
manage all text activities in one platform. We can so link with the test cases for which story and which scenario. Like in like normal scenarios, we will call we will call test scenarios, but in Jira we will call as a stories. Okay, in Jira we will call
Mhm.
scenarios as a story points. Okay, so that's
Yes.
why Jira tool very famous actually. So class will be ended next 10 minutes. Please join again. Okay,
Yes.
so till now
Okay.
you get, means little bit information about, right, about testing.
Yes, bro.
Till here, Bhageshree also know very well actually, because she has means good experience in testing. Okay, so in Jira, you know already these three people will be available in team, right?
Yes.
See what the Scrum Master will actual actual is responsibility. Our means tester responsibilities are, right?
Yes.
Understanding the requirement, preparing the test cases, creating the test cases, test activities, and these all 8 things, the tester activities. Like that, Scrum Master, what he will do? So he will conduct the meeting and he will track our work, like how the people are working, means if they are lagging anywhere, like they will check, means like every day, means our work progress. Okay, and they will create reports. Reports means how many test cases are there, means how many story points are there, how many story points converted to the test cases, how many test cases executed, and how many test cases failed, how many bugs are raised. Okay, so these all test activities reports done by the Scrum Master. Okay, and
Okay.
product owner or product manager, his responsibility are collecting requirement from the client. Okay, collecting requirement from the client, and he need to split as a scenarios or story points. In normal testing language, we will call test scenarios. In the Jira, we will call scenarios as a story points. Okay, so he will collect the information and means client requirement, then he will split the requirement as a story points. Okay, and epics. Okay,
Yes.
then developer will develop the story points and tester will write the test cases for story points. When the developer is developed the software, then tester will execute the test cases. Then if any bugs are there, then he will raise the bugs. These things happen in every software company. This is the process actually. Okay, Sadish, did you get more
Okay.
clarity?
Yes.
So we are following agile model for developing the software. Agile model is a iterative and incremental model, right?
Yes.
So iterative means it is repeating the same process. See, for example, just means try to understand this scenario. For example, product owner collect the requirements from the client. Okay, we means we got one project, so that is a e-commerce project. Okay, so in agile model, so product owner speak with the client. Okay, so he will collect the requirement, then he will split the requirement into a story points. Like for example, he created 100 story points. Okay, he will create
Okay.
100 story points, then he will split into these story points as a like 5, 10, 8, 4, 5, 6, like he will split into like that, depends upon the story complexity. Okay, 100 story points are there, right? For example, these story points like register functionality. Okay, login functionality. Okay, and add to cart functionality. Or search functionality. So story points will be like that. Okay, so
Yes.
he will split the story points as per the complexity. See, for example, means very complexity story points, he will take means 5 for the one sprint. Then he will take means 10 if the story points complexity is very less. Okay, So like he will split like this. Then he will conduct meeting and he will assign these 5 story points to developers and testers. Okay. So developer will develop these 5 functionalities, 5 story points, and tester will write the test cases. Once the development is done, test cases will execute the test cases and update the result. Till here you get clarity, right? How the process will be go in a
Yes.
software company. Satish, clear? Do you have
Yes,
any
yes,
doubts?
bro. No.
Clear, right? Bhageshri,
Yeah,
are
yes.
you also clear, right?
Yes. Clear.
Okay. Okay. Then we will go into the practical level. See, for example, Bhageshri, for example, you are a client, okay?
Okay.
You are a client and you need one e-commerce project, okay?
Okay.
So you want to start e-commerce business, okay? So Amazon is a e-commerce website, right? You know already very well, both guys. And Flipkart is a e-commerce website. Myntra is a e-commerce website. Is they are selling any product? Amazon is selling any products? Amazon
Yes.
is selling any products? Amazon, please
No, they are not selling.
understand my question. So
They're
Amazon is selling the any products.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. So Amazon is the mediator between merchant and user.
Okay.
So that is a platform. Amazon is a platform. So if you are providing any clothes, so you can register as a merchant and you can sell your clothes in Amazon. Means users can buy.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, Amazon doing that business. That is a one small business. Amazon have a lot of business, like they are providing cloud. They are like AWS services. Okay. So Amazon is a one
Okay.
small
Okay.
part in their businesses. See, for example, Amazon is a one e-commerce website, right? Like that, you need one e-commerce project. Okay. And class is going to end. Please rejoin again.
Okay.
Hope you will get means you are going to understand, right? Clearly what I'm saying.
Yes.